the treaty will have to work with for many years. Everybody is so exhausted about the working on treaties, referendum, ratifications, agreements in the Council, that I think that for many, many years nobody will try to produce another treaty. So, good or not good, good enough or not good enough, we'll have to work with the Lisbon Treaty for quite a moment. Just allow me some words about who we are here, especially for the people who come from outside the Institute. Some words about the Observatory on Institutional Change and Reform, part of the European Union Democracy Observatory. I think this is the perfect place to analyze the implications of the Lisbon Treaty and to organize such kind of workshops. I would like to thank Bruno DeWitt and Paolo Lozano, who are the organizers, for organizing this workshop at such a timely moment. And for those of you who are not familiar with the European Union Democracy Observatory, let me tell you that the Observatory started its news activities after a relaunch last year and has the main task to assess democratic practices in the European Union. Had a launch conference at the end of the last year and is a constantly growing platform, bringing and studying various projects and people together, focusing on the critical issue of the European democracy. The Observatory on Institutional Change and Reform, co-directed by Bruno and Adrienne Haitier, is devoted to the study of the institutional setup of the Union and the changes and the reforms that we have to perform in order to make it work better. While I'm not going any longer, just a few words to say that today in Europe there is perhaps a strong criticism. And as the German minister said the other day, and the minister Guido Westerwelle, the constant denigration of Europe is a disaster. Let's talk a bit about what we have actually achieved, which is quite a lot. And before criticizing the Lisbon Treaty, let's it start working, because the Lisbon Treaty is just starting now to be implemented. And Mr. Van Rompuy just started to work today. And when I see some criticism, it looks like if the Lisbon Treaty had been in force for many, many years, judging results that today cannot be still judged because it's not time to be produced. But here, the scholars, the academicians, people who study theoretically problems, have the opportunity, together with practitioners, to have a look at the future of this treaty that today starts working.